Today I'm going to go over day 3 of what you should be doing once you join SHG. Let me go ahead and share my screen. Okay, we already went over day 2, which basically most of that was CapCut. With CapCut, that's basically the editing. That's going to be a good chunk of posting videos and editing videos and getting them, tweaking them to the best of your abilities. And you'll get better with that with time. So that's basically, probably would have taken you at least an hour and a half, possibly 2 hours to learn all that. Then to apply it, that's probably going to take you about another hour or 2. Once you get it though, editing will become quicker. You'll add your own sounds to it afterwards. You can create it like I'm doing now. I'll go on Zoom, for example, create the video on Zoom like I'm doing now, which is easier for you to share your screen. Then that's when you go into CapCut. And in CapCut is where you're going to do your editing and add sound to it. Usually add a little light music as you hear, like a day 1 and day 2. But when I first start the video, there's no music to it. So you add the music to it, and any moments where I might stumble and stuff like that, you know what? I just stop, keep on going, because I know I could go into CapCut and edit it. So I don't really have to stop. I just continue going no matter what. Just like in the movies, you make a mistake, you stop, catch your breath, and keep on going, because they can edit it. Okay, the next hour or so, we're going to discuss Instagram Reels, opportunity videos, YouTube Shorts, and income videos, and then sample videos. Now keep in mind, like on Instagram Reels and opportunities, there's always going to be a lesson PDF that you can click on, and then from there, watch, it'll open up into a doc file. Now in the doc file, you'll see if it's red, you can click on it and it gives you extra information to put on there, like so you can keep track of your videos. Here John, he explains all the videos and everything you're going to go through. He can even show you a video. Here's an example of probably one of John's videos that he does. You click on it, it'll take you to TikTok. And as you can see, this is something that was done by another team member, and it's something that you can do. This is just a sample, and if you go to our back office, you'll learn how to do videos just like this. Then let's see, what else is in the doc file? Hashtags. Hashtags is very important because that's gonna basically go into the audience you're looking for. Like people are looking to make money, obviously, the entrepreneur life, as you can see, the hashtags, the mindset, millionaire mindset, online business. You can also create your own hashtags, and you'll see it on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels. When you type in the hashtag, it'll let you know the number of people that follow that hashtag, and that's a big help. And you can start creating your own. Once you create your own, here we give you a starter on how to start here on any of the hashtags, but then as you find your own, then you just add it on there and expand your hashtag list. And they'll also teach you on what hashtags work for, like, say, Facebook Reels, Instagram. Each hashtags are a little different. They're not going to be the same for all of them. TikTok's going to be a little different, because you'd be surprised what you post on TikTok and then you copy that and put it on Instagram and Facebook Reels. It might not go viral on TikTok, but it may go viral on Facebook. And there, because especially Facebook is something you probably already established. I've had Facebook for years now, but now that I'm starting a business, this is new. So a lot of my friends, family, and of course I made it public. New people basically are now seeing me, but also people wanting to see what you do, what kind of person you are. So obviously you want to be posting nice stuff, cool stuff, nothing crazy and out of the ordinary. Politics, we want to keep politics separate. That's why sometimes I recommend to create a Facebook page, possibly separate, just for your business. By the way, people are going to follow you no matter what. It's a human nature to see what kind of person you are and stuff like that. Because in the end, you're really selling yourself, not just the business. Obviously, you want a good business model, which Savings Highway Global. It's an amazing model. It's saved millions of people money on their car insurance, homeowners insurance. I purchased this laptop that I'm on right now. It was originally like $1,000, but through our Savings Highway Global portal, I was able to go through Lenovo, and I got a $300 discount. I paid $700 for something that you normally, if you're not in our program, you're going to pay $1,000 for. And that's the beauty of this company, as well as earn an extra income. So yeah, keep track of your hashtags and know what works for which social media platforms. YouTube is a big one, which, as you see, I'm utilizing that right now. You want to start rolling with YouTube especially. Then let's see, then you go into YouTube Shorts and income videos. In the beginning, you're not going to get too much into like the income videos. Those are for people that actually start making a decent amount of money, and it might be a show off, but at the same time, you want to see they like to utilize that. Like Kirsty Snyder, she's making like $4,000 a week, and so she can show off. Forget about it. My other mentor, Daniel Kump, DK, oh, he's making like, who knows, $6,000 or so, $7,000 a week. But he's been doing this for about 6 years, and he has a very big following. So, and that's where, obviously, in the end, where we want to be at. I've been doing this for 3 months, and my following is so small, but I am getting a following, and I am starting a brand. And in a couple of months, I'll probably get larger and larger, and that's the goal. In order to get a following, create your brand, and know the people you're talking to. On the shorts, this shows you sample videos or content, because once you start doing your daily disciplines, you'll go through that content fairly quickly. So you don't feel you're as creative per se. After a while, it starts feeling like you're doing the same thing all the time, and you're going to need content. Well, they've helped us with that, because we've discussed this in our groups. You'd be like, well, what do we do for content? Well, they've given us a slew of content now. And then another trick too, you could also go into TikTok and just type in, like, say, side hustle, and just do what the other people are doing. Don't do it exactly like them, but you can pretty much copy anything that all these business people are doing online, because in the end, you just kind of make it your own. You could do in the beginning, especially like myself, like the first week or two, I did non-speaking videos. And this is just an example itself. And it'll open it up, and here's an example. See? See, you got to get creative. I love these. But like I said, there's plenty of content. That was just an example of one. That was Kirsty Snyder when she first started out, and you didn't even have to speak. You just got to be a little bit creative with the ding dong and stuff like that. There's plenty of content like that. Once you go to access it, and that's what you learn, basically how to do that type of content. Like I had mentioned before, result-based videos. That's when you start earning money, then you can basically flaunt it. Here we go.
I have an app that will pay you just to have it running in the background on your phone. Go to google.com and search for Honeygain. Click on the first link at the top. Honeygain provides passive income just by sharing your internet. Its Trustpilot score is excellent. You can also earn without compromising any of your data. This is great for a little bit of passive income, but if you are looking for more, check out my YouTube channel. I show people how to earn over $10,000 a week from it.
See, that's just a sample of basically side hustle videos, and there's plenty of examples. Yeah, you got to be a little on the savvy side to jump in there once you save it on Google Drive. But those are just examples of content you can use. Those are plenty. You have plenty of content to make videos, and those 3 videos alone will take you roughly about an hour. Then you can just pick and choose which ones you like, and then you just copy them, basically. Like on, let's see, which one was this one? The lesson plan for this one. That's why I like to have a documents. Here, like you said before, you're going to keep track of all the videos you do. They'll teach you how to do all of that. John, he's amazing at teaching. He does great. The gentleman you just saw in the shorts, he's also teaching you how to do short form videos. We already did that example. Basically, what you're going to do is copy paste all of this and basically put it, say, on your TikTok screen. You type all of this in. You're going to replace, like he has, EAR save. Your save now. You would replace your domain name that you created earlier, and then you would add that on there. All of this is this information. You would just copy, obviously, the first part of it, but the domain names, you're going to replace it with yours. And that's how you keep track of your videos and knowing which ones you're doing. So basically, that's basically it for day 3 for an hour's work. Learning, you've already learned on day 2 how to edit videos, TikTok videos, and Facebook Reels. So day 3, you're going to learn a little bit more about Instagram Reels, the opportunity videos, which is going to be stuff like side hustles. And then at the same time, you're going to learn about YouTube Shorts. And then, of course, every lesson has a PDF that you're going to click on. And then from there, you could go into sample videos. So you'll have plenty of content to go and make videos. And then hopefully on day 4, you're going to learn a little bit about direct messaging and assuming the sale. So basically, once people start responding to you, that's where it gets good, because you're going to get nervous at first because you're not going to know what to say. But here in the back office, we basically teach you the best examples, depending on the question you ask. But we'll get into that for day 4, obviously. So for day 3, it's fairly simple. You have 3 videos to watch. Obviously, learning more about short form videos, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. That's new. They've actually added Pinterest on there. We, believe it or not, don't have it on there. But if you follow the same process, you can go into Pinterest. Just started doing the short form videos, which is another avenue for you to earn income. I'm telling you, get in there, get into YouTube. The moment you start getting more confident with the TikToks, the Instagram, the Facebook Reels, which you will, in about a week or 2, you'll be fine. We're getting new confidence. Come the 3rd week, well, that's how it was for me. 3rd week, that's when I said, okay, let me do YouTube. And they weren't the best, but there were moments where I was inspired and I just went with it. I was driving in my car and I did a whole video for about 10 minutes or so while I was driving because I was inspired. So the moment you get inspired, write it down. That's another thing. Paper and pen. That is so important, because the moment you get inspired, write it down, and then boom, make yourself a video. Why not? You have nothing to lose, really, and a lot to gain. So that's it for day 3. I hope that was helpful for you. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. And when you're ready, go ahead and click on my account. I'm here to help you.